Hi, this is Dave Aquino with Microquant. This is the Options Live Trading Room Trade of the Day for Friday, July 19th, 2013. Now, the trade of the day actually occurred in Google. Google reported not so good earnings yesterday after the close. In the aftermarket hours and pre-market hours, Google was down at the most like $55. It opened quite weakly, down about $20, $25. So we wanted to go ahead and see if there were any good trading opportunities here with Google. So one thing that you can see is we gapped down. See the really strong downside momentum, so much so it's not even on my screen, but it continued down. What we're trying to do is play a counter trend move, try to catch a knife. But basically we saw that once it hit this level here, really went sideways for a while and continued to watch it. We did get one down thrust here to significantly undervalued levels, and we were just looking to play this for a quick move to the upside. Now the one thing that you can note, let me adjust my screen here so you can see this, is the nice upturn in MQ Momentum's indicator line right here that coincided with this move right after the significantly undervalued level. So we purchased some Delta 70 calls and proceeded to go ahead and hold the trade as prices started to move up. We watched the slope of the indicator line. We saw that the histogram bars became much bigger than the previous histogram bars. That gave us a lot of confidence in going into the trade. Now the first level of support was resistance was this level based on this high here. It broke through that, then the MQ trend dots, and at this point this was my personal target. Took most of the position off right there. And as you can see, it did continue up a little bit more. This is another opportunity to sell right here at the significantly overvalued levels. But that in itself was a really good trade. We continued to watch it, see if more opportunities came by. Here's another opportunity. This is a nice bearish divergence. Went short here with Delta 70 puts, sold them here. Continued to move on. And another divergence play right here based off the low. That was very nice. And we continued to watch it throughout the rest of the morning, and this opportunity came up. Apologize again for the non-adjustment of my screen, but it came up a long way, and it came up to this 891 level, which was a previous resistance and support level on the daily chart. It came up, it hit that level, bounced back, hit the level again, bounced back, broke through, came back, tested the 891 level, and then it went sideways to this point right here. So this was at that time the high of the day, and we didn't have any downside momentum, so it was looking like that up move that got us here was going to go ahead and continue. So we went ahead and got long a small position here, just looking to ride this further up. And as you can see, we managed it quite well. And I sold, went long with two Delta 70 calls here, sold one here, sold the other one here, got long again here, sold it here, and proceeded to go ahead and watch the position continue up. And at this point we didn't take any more positions because we were trading other things, managing our spread positions. But right here is very good opportunity to continue on a trend trade, and you can see prices just continued up until the point it actually reached the same level as the lowest point in yesterday's bar. So it actually made up a lot of that distance. So it was actually quite impressive in terms of price action and just the way we could play those particular trades. Here's the one last position, last trade that we actually took. It was a very nice bearish divergence. Again, this 903 level where it stopped coincides with the low of the previous day. So right there, one green histogram dot, and then it fell. Took most of the profits here, and then half the profits there and half the profits at the MQ trend dots. So that is very nice trading. Never miss a trade again. Go ahead and click here to subscribe to us on YouTube. We have other Trade of the Day videos also available in options, in futures, and coming soon, Forex and equities. So again, this is Dave Aquino with Microquant, reminding you to keep your options open and your trades profitable.